Hello class ninth. In today's session, we are going to study the chapter our Constitution. 26 January 1950 was a red letter day in the history of India. It was on this day that the Constitution of India came into force and India became a sovereign democratic republic. Now, what is a constitution? A constitution is a comprehensive document comprising laws and rules according to which a country is governed. We can also say that a constitution is a written document in which we find rules and regulations to govern a country. It is a book of law. Constitution is the supreme law of a country in written form, accepted by all the people living together in a country. It contains laws concerning the government and its relation with the people. And the people of the country should have due respect for the constitution. What does constitution basically comprise of? Constitution includes the following. It defines and determines the form of government that governs the nation, like it is written in the constitution that we are having a democratic government, a republican government. So, it is written in the constitution that these are the features of a government. The constitution also describes the powers and functions of the three organs of the government, namely legislature, which makes laws, the executive, which interprets the laws, and the judiciary, which enforces the laws. The constitution also states how these organs are interrelated. The constitution also includes the rights and duties of the citizens of a country. In 1946, the British Prime Minister Clement Attlee sent cabinet mission to India to discuss about the possibilities of transferring powers from British government to Indian leadership. The cabinet mission arrived in India in March 1946. It consisted of three British cabinet members: Lord Patrick Lawrence, Sir Stafford Cripps, and A.V. Alexander. Now, let us see the next topic, enactment of the Indian Constitution. Children, you know that the cabinet mission arrived in India in 1946. The cabinet mission consulted and discussed with the leaders of India and made many proposals. The proposals related to constitution were: the first one is the cabinet mission said that there will be federal union of British provinces and princely states. British provinces like Bombay province, Madras province, and they were under the direct rule of the British, whereas princely states were under the control of the kings. You can see on the map the yellow color states are the princely states, whereas the grey color states are the British provinces. Another proposal of the cabinet mission was to set up a constituent assembly whose members will be elected directly by the provincial legislative assemblies called lower house. Today in India, lower house means Lok Sabha, but before independence, the provincial assemblies were called as lower house. So, elections were held in July 1946, but these elections were limited to provincial areas, that is, British ruled provinces of India, because the princely states have nominated their members to Constituent Assembly instead of electing. Altogether, there were 389 members, 296 from British provinces and 93 from princely states. So, finally, the Constituent Assembly of Undivided India was formed with 389 members. Formation of Constituent Assembly. The elections were held in July 1946 and Constituent Assembly was formed by December 1946. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on December 9th, 1946 at the Central Hall of the Parliament House, and the meeting was presided over by Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, whom you can see in the first picture. On 11th December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the first permanent president of the Constituent Assembly, whom you can see in the second picture. The Muslim League boycotted the Constituent Assembly and demanded a separate state of Pakistan. As a result, after independence, the total strength of the assembly got reduced to 299 from 389 members. Between December 1946 and August 1947, when we got independence, the Constituent Assembly was functioning and had 5 sessions or meetings to discuss about the various issues.